Hello dear students! Welcome to our online English lesson. Let's start our lesson. Today we are going to talk about the hobbies. Do you have a hobby? Look at the pictures and what can you see? A hobby is something you like doing in your free time. Hobby makes your life more interesting. Listen and repeat. Play the guitar. Dancing. Ride a bike. Play the piano. Listen to music. Watch TV. Now, dear student, let's start.
Listen and watch.
Слушай и смотри.
Today, let's draw pictures of hobbies and put them on the wall. Do you have a hobby, Sam?
Yes, I do. I play the guitar.
Brilliant, Sam. Next, Alex. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I do. I listen to stories.
Well done, Alex. And Kim, what about you?
I have a great hobby. I ride my bike in the park.
Good for you.
My turn.
Yes, your turn. Do you have a hobby, Lucy?
Yes, I do. I watch TV programs about animals.
Super. Yes, Pat. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I do. I play the piano.
Good. Thanks, children. We can put your pictures on the walls.
Now, dear students, let's do the next task.
Choose.
Do you remember the conversation between the teacher and the students? Let's do it together. Listen and choose. Look at the picture. What can you see? Good. Listen and choose.
I play the guitar.
Okay, whose hobby is this? Good job. This is Sam's hobby. Well done. The next one. Look at the picture. What can you see? Listen and choose.
I listen to stories.
Okay, who likes listening to stories? Well done. Alex's hobby is listen to stories. The next one, look at the picture. What can you see? Listen and choose.
I watch TV.
Whose hobby is this? Well done. This is Lucy's hobby. The last one, look at the picture. What can you see? Listen and choose.
I ride a bike.
Yes, who likes riding a bike? Well done. Cam likes riding a bike. Let's check your answer. Good job. Listen and repeat.
I play the guitar.
I listen to stories.
I watch TV. I ride a bike.
Now, dear students, are you ready to do the next task?
Choose.
In this task, you should choose right words and complete the sentence. Let's do it together. Write your answer. Answer the question. Do you have a hobby? I watch TV programs. Well done. I watch TV programs. The next one. Do you have a hobby? I play. No. Try again. I ride my bike. Well done. The next one. Do you have a hobby? I listen. No. Try again. I play the piano. Good job. The next one. Do you have a hobby? I play No. Try again. I listen to stories. Well done. Let's check your answers. Well done. Listen and repeat. I watch TV programs. I ride my bike. I play the piano. I listen to stories. Good job. Now, dear students, let's do the next task.
Choose.
Look at the picture and choose the right answer. What can you see? Play the piano. The next one. Ride the bike. Listen to stories. Watch TV. Now listen and choose.
Pat, do you play the piano?
Yes, I do. The next one, listen and choose.
Kim, do you listen to stories?
No, I don't. The next one.
Alex, do you play the guitar?
No, I don't. The next one.
Lucy, do you watch TV programs about animals?
Yes, I do. Okay, let's check your answer. Well done. Listen and repeat.
Pat, do you play the piano?
Yes, I do.
Kim, do you listen to stories?
No, I don't.
Alex, do you play the guitar?
No, I don't.
Lucy, do you watch TV programs about animals?
Yes, I do. Now, dear students, are you ready to do the next task? Let's check our knowledge.
Listen and choose.
Do you know how to pronounce these words? Let's read and choose.
Wanted.
Try again. Good job. The next one.
Stopped.
Well done.
Liked.
You are perfect.
Listened.
Well done.
Looked. Shouted. Opened. Happened. Answered. Talked.
Well done. Let's check our answers. Well done. Listen and repeat.
Wanted. Stopped. Liked. Listened. Looked. Shouted. Opened. Happened. Answered. Talked.
Now, dear students, let's play the game.
Соедини слова с картинкой.
Listen and repeat.
Computer games. Roller skating. Cycling. Painting.
Let's do together. Listen and match.
Computer games. Roller skating.
Good job. The next one.
Cycling.
Excellent.
Painting.
Now, dear students, are you ready to do the next task?
Прослушай и расположи картинки и слова по порядку.
Listen and put.
Music.
Where is the music? Good job. Where is the picture music? Excellent. The next one.
Cinema.
Cinema. Well done. Good job.
Painting.
Listen and match.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок. The internet. Right, I surf the internet in my free time. Music. Exactly, rock music is the best.
Now, dear students, let's do the next task.
Верно или неверно?
True or false? Look at the picture. Listen and choose.
I love playing computer games.
The next one. Listen and choose.
I'm interested in the cinema.
Good job. The last one.
Do you listen to music in your free time?
Excellent. Now, dear students, let's do.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок.
Listen and choose.
Singing.
Okay, where is the singing?
Right, let's sing a song together.
You are perfect. The next one.
Skiing.
Where is the picture skiing?
Exactly. Skiing is my favorite sport.
You are brilliant. Dear students, let's do the next task.
Соедини слова с картинкой.
Listen and match.
Sailing. Birthday. Skiing. Fishing.
Let's do together.
Sailing. Birthday.
Excellent.
Skiing.
Well done.
Fishing.
Now, dear students, let's continue.
Прослушай и выбери соответствующий рисунок. Roller skating.
Where is the picture roller skating?
Yes, I love roller skating.
The next one.
Painting.
Where is the picture painting?
Exactly, painting is great.
Excellent, good job. Dear students, look at the picture. What kind of hobby do you see? Now, describe your favorite hobby and answer questions. The first question. What's your favorite hobby or sport? The second question. Why do you like it? The third question. Where do you do it? The first question. How often do you do it? The fifth question. When do you usually do this hobby? Describe your favorite hobby. Now, dear students, do you remember our new words? Let's repeat again. Listen and repeat. Play the guitar. Dancing. Ride a bike. Play the piano. Listen to music. Watch TV. Well done. Now, dear students, you were so active today. Our lesson is over. In this lesson, we revised the names of the hobby. See you the next lesson. Goodbye.